Welcome back to Miles Tech YouTube channel, where tech is simple and stress-free. So today we are going to be learning how to set up a VPN application called INT VPN in our mobile device. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. Let us continue to go Play Store and then we download that application. If you get any problem while you're setting, just go to the comment section. I'm available and ready to read all comments. Go to your Google Play Store, and then after you download a VPN application called INT VPN. Search and then wait for a few moments for it to come in your results. Remember that this process of searching requires an active internet connection. We're going to search it and then it will be coming, and it is this one. Ensure to install it in your mobile device, and then after installing it, open it. So guys, this tutorial is for research and educational purposes only. Users are requested to comply with the community guidelines, follow internet service providers' terms and conditions, and then you guys are also requested to follow up with the local laws. Let us come where I have don't show again, and then press later. Then after you come where I have the auto select, and then you are free to choose a server that is near to your country's location. But I recommend my viewers to keep up with the auto select so that this one can automatically select an active server for a fast, secure and stable connection. Then you guys are requested to come where I have tricks, and then after you're going to choose this one. Alright, we're going to choose the UDP stay here, all the countries free. This one first in the result, and then you're going to be setting it as you see. Then after you're going to come right here, we have this round like icon. Then you place into that round icon, we accept the VPN service or give the permission to this application to connect a VPN service, and then we press allow, then wait for a few seconds for this application to connect. Don't forget to subscribe, share this tutorial to your friend. If it fails, run to the comment section. Those in Uganda, you need to learn from home band. Those in other countries, just connect. And then after, these are the tips and troubleshooting ideas. If it fails to connect, you can clear the app data, that is any advert which shows that it has connected. You can clear the app data. You can toggle open mode, then on and then off, and then you can also what is another tip? You can also restart your device. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. I'm Miles Tech and I sign out.